Hey everyone, and welcome back to English Up, the podcast that helps you boost your English skills.
That's right, Alex. I'm Chloe, and I'm excited to be back with you today.
And I'm Alex. We've got a super important topic for you today, habits. We're diving into how to build good ones and break the bad ones, so get ready to level up.
Let's do it.
So let's start with the positive. Why is it so important to build good habits? Well, good habits are like the small, consistent steps that lead to big, positive changes in your life. They can improve your health, your productivity, your relationships, pretty much everything.
Absolutely. And good habits make life easier. When something becomes a habit, you don't have to think about it so much, you just do it. It frees up mental energy for other things.
Exactly, so how do we actually build them? It's not magic, right? First, start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire life at once. Pick one new habit and focus on it. For example, if you want to start exercising, start with just 10 minutes a day.
That's so important. Another key is consistency. Try to do your new habit at the same time each day. And make it easy to do. If you want to read more, keep a book on your bedside table. Or if you want to drink more water, keep a bottle with you at all times.
I love those tips. And another thing that can really help is to tell a friend or family member what you're working on. Having that extra accountability can make a huge difference. Plus, reward yourself when you achieve milestones. It's okay to celebrate small victories.
Definitely. And don't beat yourself up if you slip up sometimes. Just get back on track as soon as you can.
Great point, Chloe. Okay, so we've covered why good habits are important and some strategies for building them. Now let's take a quick vocab check.
First up, we have overhaul. This means to completely change or repair something. For example, I need to overhaul my diet. I'm eating too much junk food.
Next is accountability. It's about being responsible and answerable for your actions. To demonstrate, having an exercise buddy gives you accountability to go to the gym.
Then there is milestones. These are important points in the progress or development of something. Take this case, for instance. Completing my first 5K race was a major milestone for me in my fitness journey.
And finally, slip up. It means to make a small mistake or error, like in, don't worry if you slip up on your new diet plan, just start again tomorrow.
All right, now let's talk about the flip side. Bad habits. Why is it important to kick them? Well, bad habits can really hold us back from reaching our potential and can even have negative impacts on our health and well-being.
Exactly. They can be a huge drain on our time, energy, and even our finances. So how do we tackle them? First, you have to be aware of your triggers. What situations or feelings cause you to engage in that bad habit?
That's key. Once you know your triggers, you can start to avoid them or find healthier ways to respond. For example, if you tend to snack when you're bored, find a new hobby to keep yourself occupied.
Another helpful strategy is to replace the bad habit with a good one. Instead of reaching for your phone in the morning, try meditating for 5 minutes. Or instead of watching TV before bed, you could read a book.
And just like with building good habits, it can really help to tell someone you're trying to break a bad habit. They can help keep you on track. Also, celebrate your progress. Breaking bad habits is really hard.
Let's do another vocab check. First up, we have hold back. This means to prevent someone or something from progressing. For instance, my fear of public speaking holds me back from advancing in my career.
Next is trigger. This refers to something that initiates or causes a particular reaction. To illustrate, stress is a big trigger for my bad habit of biting my nails.
Then we have tackle. This means to deal with or confront something difficult. For example, I'm going to tackle my procrastination problem head-on.
And finally, on track. This is to be doing the correct things or making the necessary progress. Let's check. I have to study tonight, so I am on track with my work.
So there you have it. Building good habits and breaking bad ones takes time and effort, but the rewards are so worth it.
Definitely. Remember to start small, be consistent, and be kind to yourself. You've got this.
Okay, before we go, here's a quick quiz to test your vocab. Listen carefully and pick the correct answer, A, B, or C.
Ready? Here we go.
1. If you try to your whole routine at once, you might struggle. A. Hold back. B. Overhaul. C. Slip up.
2. Having a friend keep you on your goal is really important. A. Accountable. B. Trigger. C. Milestone.
3. Finishing a marathon can be important in your fitness progress. A. Overhaul. B. Milestone. C. Slip up.
4. Don't worry if you sometimes just start again the next day. A. Slip up. B. Hold back. C. On track.
5. Stress can be for my unhealthy eating. A. Overhaul. B. On track. C. Trigger.
The correct answers are 1B, 2A, 3B, 4A, 5C.
How did you do? Tell us in the comments.
Thanks for tuning in to English Up. Join us next time for more English boosting content.
Bye everyone. Until next time, keep practicing